Hi, good evening. This is Vinod from Veeyes Infotech. After a long back, again I come to the good application. This application is very useful for all the traders, everyone, every uh, businessman like using for any accounting application like Busy, Tally, uh, any other application, as well as not only Tally data and not only Busy backup, not only other application backup. Even though if you want any data like Excel data, as well as your any data to take the backup, auto system now available, this application that features. So that's why I introduced the application name is Mirror. uh, Veeyes Infotech and another one party, it is called as Workforce System. Both are combined together to discuss and to prepare these applications. Now this applications working is well. Previously we have started only to running on only cloud backup. But right now some customers asking, sir, it is not possible to send the data on mail. So that's why after long backup, we are prepare the program. Now the program is ready. So even though your data automatically you will receive the mail. So now you can watch it, how it will work. So now you can prepare the one trigger option, like how to do that. Create new. Once create new, you can go for generic. If you are click that, you will get it the setup options. So already I done it. So once again I will edit and show you. So now you can see edit. So this is the option. So name anything you can give. For example, now I am doing for a Tally data backup. So that's why I give the Tally data backup my name. And description, whatever it is, you can type it. This is for a Tally data backup. Any text you want, you can type it here. And extension, that means your database, how to save, like zip format or folder format or other format, rar format. So this much of options is there, 7-zip, rar and zip. This options is there. We are using for zip because of in zip format inbuilt Windows is there. So that's why we are using for zip. So everybody, I am recommended to everyone, you can use also zip format because of zip is the inbuilt Windows. So now sender mail ID. Sender mail ID already I created. How to create the sender mail ID? Once you can click here and already my mail ID is there. You can add your email ID. That means from mail ID. So from mail ID you can add here. Already I added. Now I will close that. So then you can select here. Once completed that options, now you can select here. You have a 3 mail ID, you can use it. Next, data backup file older than. So how much of days you want data backup? Because of somebody thinking, sir, if today to take the backup, so Tally data will be there only today date only, previous date not there. So no, just you can think it. Once Tally data backup taking, so how to take the backup, just listen. So entire year, for example, you have a 5 years data, 5 years data will be taken. You have a 1 year data, entire things will be taken, not only today. So that's why you can set the backup days. For example, where will be this option need, because of you have a cloud space. For example, cloud space 5 GB is there, 10 GB is there. If you are day to day taking, what will happen? The space will be increasing. So automatically you can again buy the space. So not necessary for Tally data. Because of Tally data, today it will take the backup entire date. Entire date will be taking the backup. So don't think about this data backup only taking this day. If yesterday, tomorrow will take the backup, tomorrow date only taking the backup, nothing. In Tally data, to taking the backup every time, entire date will be taking. Okay, so just listen it. So So 30 days enough everyone. So 30 days I'm enabled and enable option, and next we are giving the next option. Here option is there, you want to take the files, you want to take the folders, you want to take the database, you want to take the finance option. Right now I'm choose the finance option. I will clearly explain to you. First, file. File means once if you are clicking the files, for example Excel file, Word document files, anything file option you want to take the backup, just you can choose this. You want some particular folder, for example your company have a separate department is there. This is marketing department, this is purchase department, this is sales department. So you want to take the particular folder backup, you can choose this options. You want DB, for example database, MS Access, SQL Server, many more database options is there. So you want take the database, you can select this option. You want finance, this is the I selected because of in this option if I go there, it will be asking data source. In data source which application you are taking, for example Tally or Marg or Sorrel or Busy SQL, Sage 50, QuickBooks. So any applications, this mirror application supporting for to taking the backup. So now I am using for Tally, I am authorized partner of Tally, Veeyes Infotech. So that's why I am selecting the Tally. So data directory, where is there your data directory? So Tally Prime data is there. So data directory, once click, you can choose where is your Tally data is there. Once choose, automatically you will receive the path. Then you can click the load. Once click the load option, load button, so you will receive the how much of company available, and this is the folder numbers. Now which company you want? Now I want 21, 22, 2021, 19, 20. So these are companies available. So I want only running year. I don't want previous year, because of previous year already copy and stored in my cloud space. So that's why I need for my running data day to day, daily basis to taking the backup. So that's why I select the running company and give the OK. Then I will select the next button. So email to which email ID you want to take the backup, receive the backup, not take the backup, receive the backup. So I entered my company mail ID. After that I will give the next. So you have your options is there, automatically and manually. So manually it's not necessary, because of manually anybody anytime to take the backup as yourself and no need for any applications. But automatic it's most important. So that's why we are giving the automatic option. Here 4 options we are given. Daily basis you can take the backup, weekly basis you can take the backup, monthly basis you can take the backup, yearly basis you can take the backup. So everyone to consider for daily backup, no need for yearly backup. For example, in Busy or else other QuickBooks, right now QuickBooks not there, in previously I said. So QuickBooks application to taking the backup for weekly schedule, weekly scheduling the backup path. So this is very helpful for, as well as this is for to reducing the backup space for cloud party. So now I am set the daily basis. Now my time is what is there? My time around 4:31. 4:31 is there. So now I change the 4:35. So 4:35 means, so this is 24 hours format. So now I give the 16 shift colon 35. Now 32 is there, and now I give the 33. Next. So you want to backup intimation, this option you can tick, send backup notification, you will get it the notification. Finish. So now you can see queued, failed, partially processed and paused. Paused means successfully done it. So now time is 4:32. Now you can see 4:33 automatically the process will come here, queued, fresh. Yes, see, automatically you will receive the details queued. That means the backup process will be started. Tally data backup, Tally, this is my company folder, and destination type email. You will receive the destination location, this mail ID. Now once it will be success, you will get it the message on paused. It is not success, you will get it the message on failed option. So now you will receive the which option you can see. Now click see paused in bracket, you will get it the message 1. So now I clicked, that means the process, the backup process successfully done it. Now I am checking my mail ID. So once I click that, so now see Veeyes Infotech mirror backup, I will get it the attachment automatically, even though I will get it the message also. Tally data backup triggered automatically, destination email, in total size is 6.69 MB my folder size, now compressed 1 MB. So status also you receive the message. So this is the very useful for all the traders. So please use it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for everyone once again. Thank you.